Hi everyone. So today we will see asset acquisition in SAP S/4HANA. Okay, so we are going to use transaction code F-90. Okay, so give the posting key 31 and then we will select the vendor. Okay, so select this vendor, press enter. Give amount 60,000 and some description. Then posting is 70 and we need to give the fixed asset and the transaction type 100. Okay, star means same amount and plus means same description will be copied here. Okay, so yeah, we can see asset number is there. Now go to simulation. Okay, and now let us simulate in the general ledger view. So we can see okay, profit center segment is derived, but let us see the expert mode. So yeah, we found there are some errors. Okay, so we need to resolve all these errors to post this document successfully in the system. So let us see one by one. Balance in technical clearing account. Okay, no number range found for the interview for the document type AA, ledger Z1, and account object segment and profit centers are different than in your asset master. That's what it says. So yeah, this is the detail log we can see here. No number range found. So basically we need to maintain the number range for ledger Z1 for document type AA. Okay, for the asset accounting. Since we are using multiple ledgers, right? We are using V1 is for the local gap and Z1 we are using as a representative ledger. In SAP S/4HANA it is mandatory to use the representative ledger. Okay, so now let us see where we can maintain the number range and document type. Okay, define document types. So ledger is Z1. Okay, it is Z1. Right, so there was nothing, so I will give document type AA some number range A1. Go back and we have to maintain number range. Define document number range. Your company code be 001. Change interval. Okay, so there's no number range A1, so I'm going to maintain here A1. Okay, so this is the number starting with 91. Okay, save this and go back. So done, number range we have maintained. Now okay, let us simulate it once again. Go back and again simulate in the general ledger view. Okay, then expert mode. Yeah, so now we can see the number range is not an issue, but still that error is there regarding account object profit center differs from asset mastery code and segment as well. So it says the profit center which you maintained and the segment which we have maintained in the asset master, that is different, but we can see it is same only, B001 T0001. So okay, let us check in the asset master. This is our asset master. So control data, time dependent data, you can see here cost center B001, profit center and segment, everything is correct only, but system is saying that it is not similar to your asset master. Okay, the profit center which is derived in the accounting document is not similar to your asset master, profit center and segment, right? So you can read it here. Okay, so what can be the reason for this? We have to analyze it. Okay, so let us go to FS00 and check the reconciliation ledger. Okay, this is a vendor reconciliation ledger. So we have field status G067, and in G067 if you see, cost center is enabled and profit center is also enabled. Yeah, okay, means cost center, profit centers are not hidden. Okay, these are optionals. Sometimes we get error, this kind of error, if the field status is not enabled for your recon account. Okay, so let us check at the posting key level if there is any fields hidden. So we have posting key 31 and 70. So okay, let's check for 70 field status and additional account assignment. So here we can see everything is optional, so shouldn't be any issue from posting key side. Okay, let us check 31 as well, posting key 31, because these are the posting keys we are using in our document. So here also same case, everything is optional, so there is nothing like hidden or suppressed. Go back and okay, so this is the, see here we cannot see posting is 31, right? Okay, this is posting is 70. Here we can't see that field for the profit center, right? So let us go back again, FS00, and we will check this time the technical clearing account, right? This is also, we need to check the field status for this as well. So here we have G007 for technical clearing account, G007. Okay, double click and see additional account assignment. So yeah, we can see profit center was suppressed and cost center and profit center both are suppressed here, right? So we have enabled this. Now let's go back, and this time it should work. Let us see, simulate, and then simulate in the general ledger view. Okay, now expert mode. Okay, still we are getting the same error. Profit center from asset master record, it is the same error only we are getting. Account object profit center differs from that in asset master record. Yeah, let us try once again. So okay, come out from the screen and try once again, F-90. Sometimes the screen will not get refreshed, so you have to completely come out and then try from the scratch. Okay, amount 60,000. Okay, posting is 70 and asset master number and transaction type is 100. And now let us see now we can see the profit center, right? Okay, this profit center we see in the line item 2. That means this is for the technical clearing account line item. There we have enabled the profit center, so now we can see the field is updated here. Now simulate. Okay, it's working fine. Now let us see in the general ledger view and check the expert mode. Okay, so we can see everything has gone, but segment it is saying it is different. Okay, so let us check field status once again. Okay, OBC4. Okay, we want to check field status for G007. I remember we have enabled for cost center and profit center, but not for segment. So let us see for G007 again. Okay, page down. Okay, yeah, so yes, we can see, right, segment was suppressed. So enable this, make it as optional, save it, and again now we need to simulate it. Expert mode. Okay, so that means we may have to come out completely from this screen and start from the beginning. F-90, because the screen doesn't get refreshed, right? So because that field has to be filled, that segment field has to be filled, right? Okay, so give the amount, and see, now you can see segment. Earlier the segment field was grayed out, it was not there, but now it is there. So now this time it should be working fine. So let us see general ledger view and go to expert mode, and yes, now there is no error. This has been fixed now. Okay, so this is how we have to find out the root cause and we have to fix this. Okay, now so what we can see here, vendor is credit and your technically clearing account is debit. Okay, go back, right, vendor is credit and asset is debit, means technical clearing account is debit. Okay, now this is the display. We can see profit center is updated. This is zero ledger. Now if you want to see in your any other ledgers, we have three ledgers with V1 and Z1. So check in the V1, you will find the same entry. So what is this? This is called the operational part, where you have the vendor entry and the technical clearing account line item. Okay, so instead of debiting asset, okay, asset accounting, we are debiting the technical clearing account and crediting the vendor account in the operational part. Then one more, we will be having the valuation part or in the asset accounting. Okay, if you see here, see, this is the accounting entry here. Okay, so if you see here, we have, see, if you total on the amount and then subtotal on the document type. So document type AA is asset accounting document, so wherein you can see 261 all zeros for this is your technical clearing account, which is getting credited, and asset accounting which is APC 111 all zeros, that is getting debited. Now save this document. So yeah, click on display. Okay, and then go to general ledger view. So here we can see vendor credit and technical clearing account is debit. Now if you see in any other ledgers, non-reading ledgers, we have V1, Z1. So in the V1 also it is the same entry. Okay, vendor credit and technical clearing account is debit. Now see in the representative ledger, there also it is the same. Okay, now again display. Now let us see in the asset accounting. So in SAP S/4HANA we have three views: entry view, general ledger view, and asset accounting views. Okay, so here you can see the complete view. Okay, complete picture of the document, how it is going to be posted. Okay, so here you can see document type KR, vendor is credit 31 posting key, and your technical clearing account is debit, posting key 70. Okay, and in asset accounting document type you can see technical clearing account gets nullified, okay, with posting key 75, and debit is your APCGL account. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.